Hello students, this is Anuradha from Career Platform. Now let's move to the exercise 1.1. This video is based on the exercise 1.1 okay, of class 6, that is knowing our numbers. Okay. So what is our question number 1? Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Part A is 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Okay. So for this I am making the place value chart so that it is easy to understand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, so 1 lakh, how you write in this place value chart? Here is 1 and other is 0. So how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write 1 lakh as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10,000. 1 lakh. Okay. So, and how you write the 10,000? In 10,000 we will write 1 here and other will be 0. 1 and how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many 0 is less here? 1 0 is less. Here is 5 0 and here is 4 0. Okay. So if we multiply with 10, so this will be equal to 1 lakh. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1 lakh. This is 10,000. Okay, so what will be the answer here? We have to multiply with 10. So here will be 10,000. Okay, this is the first part. Now come to the second part. So for this is 1 million equal to dash 100,000. So for this we have to make place value chart of international system because it is in million. So I am making the place value chart of international system. Here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, so this is an international system. This is an international system of place value chart. Okay. So here we have to write 1 million. So in the place value chart, here is million. So I am writing here 1 and other will be 0. Okay. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you can write here 1 and 6 zeros. How you will put comma here? 1 million. After 3 we have to put the commas. Okay. Now we have to write 100,000. Where is 100,000? Here is 100,000. So I am making here 1 in the place value of 100,000 and other will be 0. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 1 and 5 zeros. Can put commas after 3. That is 100,000. So how much 0 is less? 1 0 is less to make 1 million. So you can multiply with 10. So I am getting 1 million here. Okay. So what will be the answer here? 100,000. So like this you can simplify by making the place value chart. Okay. Now coming to the C part, that is 1 crore equal to dash 10 lakh. Okay, so for this also we have to make the place value chart of Indian system. This is the place value chart of Indian system. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, so 1 crore equal to dash 10 lakh. So for making 1 crore we have to write in the place value of crore 1 and other is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means how many zeros in crore? 7. So 1, 6, 7. Okay. How you put commas here? After 3, then 2, like this. Okay. Equal to, and for 10 lakh we have to put 1 in place value of 10 lakh. Okay. So, and other will be 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How you put comma? Like this. Like this. Okay. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and here is 6 zeros. So we have to multiply with 10 to make 7 0 here. Okay. So I am getting 1 crore after multiply with 10. So what will be the answer here? 10. So you can simplify with the place value chart. Now the next question is D part, 1 crore equal to dash million. So I am writing here 1 crore. How many zeros will be there? 7. And I am making the place value chart of international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then 100,000, then millions, ten millions, 100 millions. Okay, so here is, what is the question? 1 million. So 1 million, in place of million we have to write 1, then other will be 0. How many 0 here? 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comma will be after 3. From the right hand side you have to put commas. Okay. This is 1 million. So how much 0 will be left? You have to multiply with 10 to make 7 zeros here. Okay, to make 1 crore. So you can write here 10. Right? Now part E, 1 million. 1 million is 6 zeros here. And 1 lakh you can write here in Indian system. That is 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How you put commas here? After 3, 2. Okay. So here also if we multiply with 10, so I can get 1 million, that is 6 zeros. So here also I am getting 10. So this is the first part, that is fill in the blanks. Now let's move to the question number 2. What is the question number 2? We have to place commas correctly and write the numerals for given the number names. Okay, for this you can write, you can see here part A, that is 73,75,307. So you can see here it is lakh. Okay, so it is an Indian system. By making place value chart, it is easy to write the numerals. Okay, so I am making Indian system place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, so here is 73 lakh. 70 means in 10 lakh we have to write 7 and 3 here in place of lakh. Okay, then 75,000. 70,000 means here 10,000 and 5 will be in 1000. Then 307. 307. Okay. So numeral is 73,75,307. How you put commas here? Here you have to put comma, then after 2, then this will be the answer of part A. Okay, so it is so easy by making the place value chart. Now the B part is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Okay, so same. Same Indian system will follow here. Nine crore, then 5 lakh. So in 10 lakh we don't have anything. We have to write in place of lakh, that is 5. Then 41. 41 is here and other will be 0. You can write like this: 905,000,41. So you have to put commas here. So after this you have to put commas like this. This is one family. Okay, so this is the B part, right? Now come to the next part, that is part C. So we are getting the question in part C. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So here is 7 crore. So in place of crore we are writing 7. Then 52 lakh. Here is 50. 50 means in 10. In 10 lakh place 52. Okay, it is in lakh family. Then 1000 is 21,000. 21,000. Then 302. 302. There is no in tens, no number in tens place. So we are making here 0. We are putting 0 here. So you can write this 75, 22, 1302. Okay. By putting, you can here comma, this one and this, like this. 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Okay. Now next question is the D part. It's 58 million. Here is million. Okay. Here is million means you have to make the place value chart of international system. This is an international system place value chart. So here is 58 million. So this one is 58 million. Then 420. 423. This is in 1000 family. Then 202. 202. Like this you can write in a very simple way in international system. Okay. So 58 million 423,202. Like this you can write the numerals and by putting commas in the D part. Now this is the last question of question number 2. Okay, part E, that is 23,30,010. So here it is lakh, so we have to make the place value chart of Indian system. Okay, so 23 lakh you can write here, 30,000 10. In hundreds place it is 0. So you can put comma like this. So this is the part E. Now students, let's move to the question number 3. What is question number 3? You have to insert commas. Okay, you have to insert commas in these numbers suitably and write the names according to Indian system numeration. So we are writing in this by putting commas in Indian system. So for Indian system, this is ones, tens, hundreds. So this will be comma. Okay, then 1,000, 10,000. Maybe it not be visible. I have to write ones, tens, hundreds. Then it will be comma here. Then 1,000. Here it is 10,000. Then I am putting comma 1. Okay, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma. So it will be crore. Like this you have to insert commas here. Okay, so number name is 8 crore 75 lakh, then 95 lakh 95,760. Like this you can easily insert commas. Okay, because this is Indian system, so we are writing ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. And like this you have to write the number name of A part. Now come to the B part. Here also the same, ones, tens, hundreds, put comma here. Then lakh, 10 lakh, put here comma. Sorry, not lakh, 10 lakh. Here is 1,000, 10,000. Then lakh, after comma there here lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so up to 10 lakh here. So what will be the our number name? 85. It is the lakh family. So 85 lakh 46,000 283. So like this you can write the number name of the B part. Okay, now student, let's move to the C part. Okay, here is 9990046. So by the Indian system we are writing here ones, tens, hundreds. Here I am putting comma. Then 1,000, 10,000, put comma here. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Here you have to put comma. Then this one is the last, crore. So you can write here 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Here is 0, so we are writing 46. Okay, in the last. Here now come to the D part. Here also the same, ones, tens, hundreds, put comma here, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, again comma, then crore. So I am writing the number system here, 9 crore 84 lakh 32 32,000 701. Like this you can insert the commas here, and according to the index system you have to write the number names. Okay students, now let's move to the question number 4. What is the question number 4? We have to insert commas suitably and write the names according to the international system. Okay, so for the international system, what is the place value chart? Ones, tens, hundreds, then you have to put comma here, then 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, after here you have to put comma, then this is million and 10 million. Okay, so you can write here the number name as 78 million 921,092, because here in hundreds place it is 0, so we are writing directly to the 92. Okay, now in the international system, in the B part, same like this only, ones, tens, hundreds, after that you have to put commas, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, maybe it is not visible to you. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then 100,000. Because of it is in international system, we have to write after 10,000 100,000, not lakhs. Okay, 100,000, then this is million. So you can write the number name 7 million 400 52,000. Okay, this is the 1000 families, 452,000. Then last is 280 283. Okay, so this is the A and B part. Okay students, now let's move to the question number C part. Okay, so in the international system we are writing ones, tens, hundreds, then comma, and 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, then comma, then millions, 10 million, right? So how you write the number name? 99 million 985,000 102. right? Now let's move to the B part. Again like this only, you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, then comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, then comma, then million, then 10 million. Okay, so 48 million, and in the 100,000 here is 0, so we are writing here 49,000. 831. Okay, so this is the last part of the question number 4 and the last question of exercise 1.1. Okay students, I hope you clear all your concepts in this chapter, that is exercise 1.1. In the next video I will come with exercise 1.2. okay, till then bye and take care. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Okay.